This is a quick video to show you how you can easily manage WhatsApp business calls within the chatting media platform. So here I'm in a demo account, and here we have connected the WhatsApp phone number as well. So if you're wondering how, click on this channels option over here, where you can go to the settings channels and simply choose the WhatsApp and connect your phone number right here. So you can even connect the phone number you have in your WhatsApp business app as well and use that for the automations as well. So here we have the step-by-step on how to connect your specific WhatsApp business phone number. So here you can choose connect your existing WhatsApp business app and simply choose the specific phone number and connect, follow the steps and connect the specific phone number as well. So once it is done, you can also enable the phone calls for the specific WhatsApp business phone number as well. So if you're wondering how to enable the phone calls for this specific phone number, you can actually go to the help center right here. We have a guide on how to enable this specific WhatsApp business calls as well. So here WhatsApp calling, please kindly note that the WhatsApp calls available for phone numbers with 2000 plus message limits. So if you have that, then go to the phone numbers WhatsApp business manager right there, choose the specific call settings right here and make sure to enable it. That's it. So once it is enabled, you can actually call your customers, and customers can also call your business as well. So customer initiated calls are free, but business initiated calls are billed according to the WhatsApp business calling rates. You can find more details about the WhatsApp business calls right here. So if you click on this link, it will take you directly to the specific calling price for this specific business. So here this is the page where you can find the pricing for the specific WhatsApp business calls. So here this is the latest update right here. So here you can click on this CSV file, or you can also download the PDF file and check the pricing right here for each of these countries based on the specific minutes right here. So specific minutes, they have this rate as well. All right, so you can actually calculate the specific thing right here. And for call recording and transcription, currently they are actually offered for free. So you can actually find the call recording and the transcription within this specific inbox as well. So currently it's free as well, but they might charge in the future as well. So here you can find all the details about the pricing for the calls as well. So once you have enabled the specific calling for your specific WhatsApp phone number, you can go to the inbox over here, open any WhatsApp chat. So this is the WhatsApp chat right here, and you will see the call button as well. So from here you can actually call this specific customer and talk with them as well. And if a particular customer calls your business, it will show up right here. You can simply accept the call and talk with them as well. So if you want to send them a WhatsApp message instead of calling them, you can also even send it from the unified inbox as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually enable WhatsApp business calling for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.